Hi my dear students, today we will discuss about register addressing mode. In the last class we discussed about immediate addressing mode. In the last class what we discussed? Immediate addressing mode. So what is meant by register addressing mode? Register addressing mode means here the both the source and destination should be a registers. Remember the both source and destination should be a registers. Let us consider already we know the syntax of move. What do you tell me the syntax move? Destination, move, destination, comma, source. Yes or no? This is the syntax for right. Here both source and destination, both source and destination should be registers. Both source and destination should be registers. Then we can easily identify. You please tell me one example. You please tell me one example. Both source and destination should be registers. You take any general purpose registers. Move ax comma bx. What is the source and what is the destination? This is source and this is destination. This is what? Destination. That means what? That the data will be simply copy and paste. See, some don't understand that if the whatever the data is there in the data simply transfer to x. No, not like that. Simply the data will be copied to the ax and whatever the data is there that will be available in the bx also. Please remember this is very important, very important. Move ax comma bx means the data which is available in the bx register is moved to the ax, and the data which is there in the bx will be simply in that only, in that bx register only. Right? Now you tell me what is the size of ax register? Ax is how many bit register? Number of times I am telling, please dear students, please pay attention. What is the size of ax register? Please tell me. 16 bit. 16 bit. What is the size of bx? Is also 16 bit. So we are transferring whatever the data is there in the bx, they simply move to the ax. Let us consider, suppose initially ax is 0000h, right? Now initially bx is equal to 1234h, right? Now you tell me after executing this instruction, what is the data of bx, what is the data of ax? Now the ax value is simply moved to the 1234h. What about the bx? Bx is also same 1234h, 1234h, right? After executing of this. Now tell me some another examples. Some another example you please tell me. Move BL comma CL, right? Or move, shall we write like this? Move BH comma CL. Move BH comma CL. That means this is also 8-bit register, this is also 8-bit. The 8-bit register will move to this, and the CL value will move to the BH. Move to the BH. Right? Now what are the limitation here? What are the limitations in this register addressing mode? Register addressing mode means both source and destination should be a registers. Both in source and destination should be a registers. Now coming to the limitations of this register addressing mode. Limitations. The first one, coming to the first one, source and destination cannot be segment registers. Remember, this is very important. Source and destination cannot be segment registers. Cannot be segment registers. That means what? Move ss comma es. Is it valid? No, it is invalid. Remember, it is invalid. Next, move ds comma ax. Is it valid or not valid? Is it valid? Why? Because source is ax, destination is ds, so no problem, right? But what is the condition? Both source and destination should not be a segment registers, right? So move es comma bx. Is it valid or not? Is it is also valid? Valid instruction. This is also a valid instruction, right? Now, now you please tell me Suppose let us consider on memory, right? In this, let us consider the data segment. This is considered as data segment. How many segments are there? Memory segmentation. In the memory segmentation class, I told, explained clearly. So total 1 MB of memory is divided into 16 segments. Each segment is 64 kilobytes. But in 8086 microprocessor, at a time we have to use only 4 segments only. What are the 4 segments? Data segment, core segment, extra segment, and stack segments. And see, segment registers holds the starting address or base address of the each segment, base address of the each segments. So data segment size is how much? 64 kilobytes. 64 kilobytes, right? Now I want to transfer. Suppose let us consider the starting address of this address is 1000h. Starting address is how much? 1000h. Now how we can transfer this data to our ds. How we can transfer the data segment, right? Simply see. Suppose first move ax comma 1000h. Which address mode it is? This is immediate addressing mode. Now I want the data segment should consist 1000. How we can write? Move ds comma ax. Move ds comma ax. So in this way we can transfer the data. That's what I am telling. Both source and destination should not be a segment registers. Now you please tell me, what is the physical address? What is the physical address of this instruction move, right? Let us consider ds is equal to 2000h. Ds is equal to how much? 2000h. Next, ax is equal to how much? And suppose consider as is equal to 3000h and ss is equal to 4000h. 4000h. So we can calculate easily. We can calculate, that is physical address. What is the formula for physical address? Segment address into 10h plus offset address. Segment address plus 10h plus offset address, right? So in this way we can calculate physical address. So another important point is we cannot use code segment, that is move cs comma ax. This is very important. This is also invalid. We cannot transfer the data which is available in ax into the code segment. This is invalid. Remember, these are the three limitations what I am telling. In that first limitation, both source and destination should not be a segment register. Second one is, and the code segment, we cannot transfer the data which is available in ax not to the code segment, right? So in the next class we will discuss about direct addressing mode.